Be careful.
كن حذرا.
Be thankful.
كن شاكرا.
Be wise.
كن حكيما.
Be smart.
كن ذكيا.
Be quick.
كن سريعا.
Be calm.
كن هادئا.
Be kind.
كن طيبا.
Be fair.
كن عادلا.
Out of curiosity.
بسبب الفضول.
Out of respect.
احتراما.
Out of love.
عن حب.
Out of fear.
خوفا.
Out of nowhere.
مفاجئ.
Explain to me.
اشرح لي.
Let me make sure.
دعني أتأكد.
I am not sure.
لست متأكدا.
I don't think so.
لا أظن.
That's unbelievable.
هذا لا يصدق.
That's disgusting.
هذا مقرف.
What a surprise.
يا لها من مفاجأة.
I'm not afraid of you.
أنا لست خائفا منك.
It slipped my mind. I will keep you posted. I can't make it. I will give you a hand. It's not a big deal. Long time no see. I don't feel like it. I am running late. Let me know. That's none of your business. You only live once. I told you. You got this. Just do it. I respect you. I trust you. I believe you. I admire you. I need you. I forgive you. I appreciate you. Stay strong. Stay back. Stay away. Stay in touch. Stay together. Stay safe. Stay quiet. Stay at home. Stay still. Stay up. Don't be hasty. Don't be stingy. Don't be jealous. Don't be fake. Don't be an idiot. Don't be selfish. Don't be a coward. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Don't be sad. Let me help you. Let me see. Let me explain. Let me try. Let me know. Let me go. Let me think. Let me talk to you. Let me handle it. Let me check. I am very busy today. I am bored. I am a bit tired. I am worried. I am nervous. I am so excited. I am happy today. I am feeling sad. I am proud of you.
Take a break. Take a look. Take your time. Take a seat. Take care. Take notes. Take a shower. Take a photo. Tell me about yourself. Introduce yourself. What are your weaknesses? What are your strengths?
Let's proceed. You're on the right track. That's a solid plan. I appreciate your effort.
I wish you the best of luck. I have faith in you. You've got this. Break a leg. Give it your best shot. You'll do great. Good luck. There is fire. Be careful. Call the firefighters. Call the ambulance. It's an emergency. Where is the hospital? Turn off the stove. Close the fridge. The oven is too hot. Do the dishes. Stir the soup. Add some salt. We're out of sugar.
Get up early. Get ready. Get dressed. Get out of here. Get in the car.
Congratulations. Best wishes. Good luck. Get well soon. Wishing you a speedy recovery. Take care. Have a great day. Enjoy your meal.
Don't tell anyone. Don't make excuses. Don't stress yourself. Don't waste your time. Don't overthink it. Don't give up.